Amari and Amera come and play. We got a letter for today. 1, 2, 3. It's the letter K. Come sing with me. 1, 2, 3. It's the letter K. Come sing with me. K, K, K. Kick it high. K, 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 K. Kick it high. Kick it high. K, 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 K. Kick it high. K, 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 K. Reach the sky. K makes the K sound. Can you try? K, K, K. Let's fly high. K, 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 K. Don't be slow. K, 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 K. Here we go. Oh. Say cool, cool, loud and clear. Letter K is here. K is for kite up in the breeze. Float and dancing with the trees. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Jump so high, never stop. K is for kitten, soft and small. Chasing yarn down the hall. K is for kettle whistle loud. Singing strong and proud. K, K, K. Clap your hands. K, 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 K. Stomp and stand. Kick, 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 kick. Spin around. K makes a strong and happy sound. K, K, K. Shout hooray. K, K, K. Dance and play. Move your body to the beat. Stomp your hands and feet. K is for king with a crown so bright. Shining strong with royal light.